So 2018-19 saw one of the biggest renovations we've ever had in this hotel. Our last huge renovation was 2006 when we built the 56 bedroom executive wing. And then last year, we actually did it over a 3-stage renovation program. So 3 years, we did bits, but last year was definitely the biggest. And we renovated all the standard rooms, so many of the public areas, plus lots of places back of house. And one of the big changes we did was the Captain's Bar, which has been received so well this year. We expanded this bar to make it bigger so we could cope better with all our in-house guests, especially over the winter period. The previous year we had expanded the outside Captain's Terrace, where I spoke a bit earlier. So that's also a big change. And here we went for an Art Deco feel, as you might be able to tell, I hope. And we chose the color scheme that fit that era, but also represented being close to the Mediterranean, having the mountains. So we have a lot of blues, a lot of greens. We went for this gold finish on the bar and the rustic mirrors where we put all our nice brandies and alcohol. So we've included the different style lighting and generally made quite a big change to what we had previously. So this is one of the other big changes we did. So I hope you guys can come and enjoy all our fantastic cocktails. We have a lot of signature cocktails as well here. So it's a really great addition to our hotel.